Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. As you probably guessed by the little thumbnail, we've got quite an interesting little project for you guys we just took on and stuff. It's one of you guys viewers' vehicles and stuff, which as you noticed by the title, it's been vandalised. But let's show you a bit more about the car. As you can see guys, it's a little 16 plate Fiesta and stuff. It's a really nice little car. I mean, it really is a really nice little car. But from here, can you see any damage? Well, in here, nope, not the damage in there. Oh, that's, yeah, lovely. It's absolutely bloody mint. So, no, let's keep hunting. Under the bonnet, no. All guns under there as well. So, yeah, I think you probably guessed it. So, let's show you guys what it is. Oh, as you just seen, someone's had some good fun with this one over time. I think, I know someone will correct me if I'm wrong. So, this car was, it's not a paint strip or brake fluid, anything that type of thing, was put on the vehicle in 2019. So the chemicals on that have well and truly gone off. So it's going to make my life so much easier. But as you can see, it's pretty much every panel's got it across the top there. See, hear it there. But it's like the lights, which I reckon I could probably save. So I'm going to give a go at trying to save them. Bits on the bonnet. Same again, the light there. We've got a little bit on the front down here, which I'm going to try and flat back and see what we can do with that. Mirror. Once again, covered. The roof, it's a real weird one. The roof has gone back to bare metal, but it's almost like it's galvanised it. It's no rust, no nothing happened in it. Once again, it's gone onto the spoiler, down the panels. We've got a bit of a dent in a door here to pull out and stuff, a bit more around the edges and stuff like that. But as you can see, overall though, the car, other than bits that need painting, is seriously tidy. But got all the other bits and stuff on it. It's a lovely colour car, and it's a lovely little car. And to be completely not honest with you guys, I am actually really looking forward to doing this one, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it with us and stuff. But yeah, I can safely say this one, it's going to be a really nice little project. It's a really nice little car and stuff, and it's going to turn out epic. The colour of it and everything, it's going to pop. It really is. That thing over there, not you, I'm not pointing to you lot. You're not going to pop. The car in front of me is going to pop. But yeah, it's going to absolutely pop. I'm going to really enjoy getting this one done. And I know one of our little viewers which car it is going to enjoy watching every single little episode of this one. So as for today and as for this episode, we're going to get stripping. Nah. None of that. Nah. Don't you think that? The car stripping. That's what I mean, the car. Not nothing else. Don't get dirty little minds back where they should be. Let's get on with the car today. And take off most of the bits we need to take off, get it all stripped back and stuff, and come along for the ride with this one, guys, and see how far we get today. So hopefully guys, you enjoy it. So let's head on over to the live action. Well, slowly, as you see in that time lapse, we are gradually getting there. I've actually got someone helping me today as well. Who are you?
I don't know.
Where have you been, Ian?
Everywhere.
Oh, everywhere other than down here?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, as you can see, it's all coming off. Bagging all the bits up, so you got all the bits and stuff which I taped to it, either that or I put all the nuts and bolts back in and stuff. Or we store it in there, but as you see, everything's still taped to it, so you've got all the fixings and stuff for later on. So there's that part, sort of stripped down. I suppose we better get on to another area and keep plodding along, I suppose. So yeah, we're cut back in again a little bit.
Problems. I would never thought that you could be causing these problems. It smells so bright with eyes like these diamonds. Caution. I know I should have known. Right now you're not alone. I don't wanna get in trouble. See where you stand. I don't wanna see you crumble. To recall what we meant.
Oh, there we have it, guys. A little bit of time lapse. I didn't want to bore you too much with too much of it, but as you can see, it's at the moment it's stripped down about as much as I need to actually start getting bodywork. Apart from I just noticed I missed the aerial, so I'll go get that off. So for now, I can crack on with some bodywork and stuff. As I say, you got all the edges and stuff, but we stripped it down. The door edges are off, the bits of the roof gutters are out, and the rest of it, all the back's off. All on the back here, that's all out and stuff. Badges are off, so it's a case of now it's cracking on and trying to repair some of the bodywork and stuff on it. All the spoilers, etc., bumper and all that lot is all off. So it's now just a case of cracking on. Excuse me. So yeah, I think today's progress has been pretty reasonable, to be honest with you. And hopefully you didn't get too bored with just ripping crap off the vehicle and stuff. And hopefully you're going to enjoy the little progress of this little project we got going. And yeah, but I'm going to vamoose for now because it's the end of the day and stuff, and I want to go home and chill and stuff before I come back down tomorrow and start cracking on with the bodywork and see how much sanding we've got to do and see what we can actually achieve with yeah, I would say more sanding than I would doing filler work and stuff, because I don't really want to do too much filler work. I like metal being metal and stuff like that. So until then, guys, I'm going to love you and leave you, and we'll see you soon. Stay safe.